Students, today we will learn about managing files and folders. Windows is an operating system that acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. It also manages the resources of a computer system and provides common services for other software. It keeps track of information regarding creation, deletion, copy and storage of files. Students, do you know who he is? He is Bill Gates. He is the founder of Microsoft and one of the richest men in the world. The first GUI edition of Windows featuring a new user interface was introduced in 1995 and was called Windows 95. Increased usage of technology and continuous research led to the development of advanced editions of Windows, named as Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows NT, Windows 2003, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7 and Windows 8. The most recent release preview of Windows 8 is available for download in 14 languages. Let us quickly recall that MS-DOS was the most popular operating system chosen for IBM PC. IBM's version of DOS was called IBM DOS or PC DOS. Let's first discuss the main features of Windows 7. Windows 7 has become very popular because of its user-friendly environment. The salient features of Windows 7 are as follows. It is easy to use and learn, faster, more reliable and secure. Better memory management. More personal, you can redecorate your desktop with new themes, slideshows or handy gadgets. Jump List in Windows 7 takes you right to the documents, pictures, songs or websites you use quite often simply by right-clicking a program button on the taskbar. A list of files in that program pops up which you have recently opened. You can jump to any file by clicking on it in the list. In Windows 7, you can pin favorite programs anywhere on the taskbar for easy access. In Windows 7, the thumbnail view of open programs are available on the taskbar. Move the mouse pointer over any thumbnail to preview it in full screen. Click it to open the program window. Windows provides the arrow peek feature that makes your open windows transparent with the Show Desktop button at the right end of the taskbar so that you may see your desktop. Maintains personalized work environment through multiple user support. Lets you enjoy music, video and high-definition games on your home PC. Supports global connectivity, receive and send email, view files and run programs on your computer from anywhere in the world. Students, let me share a tip with you. To know more about the various features of Windows 7, click on Start, then go to All Programs, then go to Accessories, then go to Getting Started. Option to know more about the various features. Students, can you tell me the name of latest version of Windows? Okay, now let us learn how to use the desktop in Windows 7. The word desktop is derived from the real-life desktop, the top of our working or study table, where you may find pen stand, notepad, calculator, files, etc. The desktop of Windows also serves the same purpose. Here you can also find various icons like objects, shortcut icons, document icons, disk drive icons, etc. Taskbar. You will find the taskbar at the bottom of the screen that displays the Start button on the extreme left side. The middle area of the taskbar is known as Quick Launch Bar, where you can pin the programs by dragging the program shortcut from the desktop or Start menu. The programs that you have opened appear in the form of thumbnails buttons on it. It holds the notification area on the right side, which includes a clock and a group of icons that provide network connectivity, incoming mails, battery status, volume, action center, etc. These icons represent the programs that are located in ROM at the time of a startup. Icons. Icons are small pictures that represent files, folders, and programs. The icons play a very important role in graphical user interface, GUI. Let us learn about some commonly used icons that are as follows.
Computer gives you a view of available drives and the content stored on the computer system.
Double-clicking on any drive icon will display the files and folders contained in that drive.
Application icons are the graphical images that give a quick access to the related application. Shortcut icon is an icon containing a direct route to a specific application,
Document or a folder.
It has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. The active document window of an application can be minimized to a document icon which gets placed on the taskbar. You can restore the document window by clicking on the document icon. Network allows you to access the shared files or devices on different computers in a network environment.
Recycle bin is a folder that holds the deleted files or folders. The deleted files or folders can be restored to the original location from the recycle bin. Students know the fact
a file is the basic unit of storage in Windows that enables a computer to distinguish one set of information from another. You can save your work as a file on a computer by specifying name to it. A file name consists of two main parts, the file name and its extension.
Let me share another interesting fact.
The folder is like a file cabinet in which you can store files, arranging files into logical groups, making the computer easy to locate any file.
Let us talk about Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about files, folders, and drives. It offers you to manage and organize your files and folders. You can use it to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename, and search files and folders. Students know the fact
originally Windows 7 was named as Blackcomb, which was renamed as Vinia in early 2006. In 2008, it was announced that Windows 7 would be the official name of the operating system.
Now let's find out how to open Windows Explorer.
To open a Windows Explorer, click on the Start button, then go to All Programs, then Accessories, and then click on Windows Explorer. Or click on Start button and select Computer option from the right pane.
The Windows Explorer window appears. Address bar shows the complete path of the selected file or folder. Search box. This option provides you the easiest manner to search any file or folder. Navigation pane displays drives and folders. Drives, folders, current folders, subfolders, files. Details pane displays the files in the current folder. Now let's find out how to view contents. To view the contents of any file or folder, simply double-click on it. You can change the layout of files and folders using the View button present on the toolbar.
Okay, now let us find out how to copy a file or folder.
Copying a file or folder means to create a duplicate copy of the selected file or folder. To copy a file from one location to another, follow these steps.
Double-click on the computer icon on the desktop. It will display the hard disk drives, CD or DVD drives, removable devices, and network locations that are connected to your computer. Double-click on the D drive icon.
It will display all the files and folders stored in it. Select any file or folder you want to copy.
Click on Organize button and select the Copy option from the drop-down menu.
Choose the location where you want to place a copied file. Then click on the Paste option in the Organize drop-down menu. Notice that the file gets copied to the new location. Now let's learn how to rename a file and folder. To rename a file or folder, right-click on it and select Rename option from the shortcut menu. Type the new name and press the Enter key. Students, let us now learn how to move a file or folder.
Moving a file or folder means shifting it from its original location, source, to another location, destination. To move a file or folder, follow these steps.
Select any file or folder you want to move.
Click on the Organize button and select Cut option from the drop-down menu.
Select the location and the folder where you want to move the file or folder. Now click on the Paste option in the Organize drop-down list. You will observe that the selected file or folder is shifted from the source location to the defined destination. Let us talk about deleting a file or folder. You can delete the unwanted files or folders from your computer system. To delete a file or folder, follow the given steps. Select the file or folder you want to delete. Click on the Organize button and select the Delete option from the drop-down menu. A message box appears to confirm the deletion.
Select Yes to confirm. You will find that the selected file or folder has been deleted.
Students, know that you can press Shift plus Delete to delete files or folders permanently. Okay students, let us know more.
To select consecutive groups of files, click on the first file, hold down the Shift key and click on the last file.
To select the non-consecutive files and folders, press and hold down the Control key and click on the files to be copied. Now let's talk about restoring a file or folder. The files or folders which are deleted can be restored to their original locations.
To restore a deleted file from the Recycle bin,
open the Recycle bin folder. Select the file or folder you want to restore. Click on the Restore this item option on the toolbar. Or right-click on the file or folder you wish to restore. Select the Restore option from the context menu. The selected file or folder disappears from the Recycle bin window and gets restored at its original location. Students, let me share a tip with you. Click the Restore All Items buttons at the top to restore all the files to their original places. Make sure that not even a single file is selected then. Similarly, you can click the Empty the Recycle bin button to delete all the files permanently from your computer system. Now we will learn how to find a file or folder.
Windows offers a number of ways to find files and folders. Search box offers the most direct way to locate a file. Use search box if you are looking for common file types, you remember all or part of the name of the file or folder you want to find, you know the date when you last modified a file.
To search a file or folder,
click on Start button. You will find the search box located at the bottom of left pane.
Type either a part of the file or folder name or complete name, or type a word or phrase that is present in the file.
As you type, the items that match your text will appear on Start menu.
Select the desired file or folder.
It will open in a new window. Click on See More Results link to get a detailed list of searched file or folders. The search results window will open.
Now simply click on a search result file or folder to open it.
In case you know only a part of the file name, you can use wildcard characters to locate all files or folders that contain that part in their name. Asterisk and question mark are the two wildcard characters commonly used in searching information. Asterisk means any type and number of characters in its place. Let's take an example. L star dot star will search all files whose names start with L, followed by any number of characters
and have any extension.
Example, letter dot doc, lottery dot ppt, locality dot txt,
and so on.
Star dot doc will search for all the files whose extension is .doc, Word files.
L star dot docs will search for all the files whose name begin with the letter L and have the extension .docs.
Question mark means any one character in its place.
For example, question dot star will search all files whose names contain only one character and have any extension. Example, L.docs, R.pptx, E.text, etc. Kips question mark dot docs will search for all the files whose names begin with Kips, followed by any one character. An extension is .docs. Example, kips1.docs, kipsp.docs, and so on. Students, let me share a tip. You can also find a file or folder by clicking the search box at the top of the open window in a particular folder or library, such as documents, pictures, music, video, and then typing the relevant keyword or text.
The various editions of Windows are Microsoft Windows 3.11, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows Millennium, Windows XP Professional, Windows 2003,
Windows Vista, Windows 7 and Windows 8. Now let us learn how to customize the desktop.
Windows is quite flexible and provides options to change the settings of desktop according to your choice. Follow the steps to change the color scheme of the computer screen. Right-click on the blank area of desktop and select the Personalize option.
The personalization window appears.
Click on the window color option located at the bottom of the window. Select any color to change the window's borders. Start menu and taskbar. Select Enable Transparency option. The window glass borders, Start menu and taskbar will become transparent. Set the color intensity option. It will affect on window glass borders, Start menu and taskbar's color strength. Click on Show Color Mixture option to set the hue, saturation and brightness option to give color effect. Select the Advanced Appearance Settings option. Windows Color and Appearance dialog box will open.
Click on the drop-down arrow placed next to the item list box and select Active Title Bar option from the list. Now click on the color drop-down list box and select any color of your choice. Similarly, select the font drop-down list and change the font settings. Click on Apply button and then click OK. Click on the Save Changes button. You will find a change in the appearance of window. Okay, students, let us talk about desktop gadgets.
Windows contains many programs called gadgets, which offer information at a glance and provide easy access to frequently used tools.
Windows 7 gadgets are calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, weather, feed, headlines, slideshow, picture puzzle, window media center, and WinZip. Okay, now we will learn how to add the gadgets on desktop. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop
and select Gadgets option
from the context menu. The Gadget Gallery window opens. Double-click on the gadget that you want to place on the desktop. The selected gadget gets placed on the right side of the desktop. Students, note that you can download more gadgets by clicking on the link Get More Gadgets Online. Clock. It displays the time. To change the clock name and clock style, click the Options button present by its side and make the desired changes. Slideshow. It displays a continuous slideshow of the picture stored on your computer. Click the Options button and select the Picture folder, Speed and Transition Effect between pictures. Weather. This gives the weather information either in Celsius or Fahrenheit of any place across the world. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Windows is an operating system that acts as an interface between the user and the computer. Icons are small pictures that represent files, folders, and programs. Windows Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about files, folders, and drives. Star and question mark are two wildcard characters commonly used in searching information. Gadgets are the mini programs which offer information at a glance and provide an easy access to frequently used tools.